Sar no Itabi.
Go somewhere, he go down someone.
Iya, malu tak kesar nga.
Iya.
Nabi ka kede wanto binakata tu makata ka tu mena kaba.
Iya.
So nabi bisa na lama di vale na kana sama ki sing-singani kay solitunan raki.
Wanana.
The weather was weathering and it was so lovely.
Wanana. We are back to all the passengers and all the drivers who are tuning in this morning, to all the students going to school. Pag-usip talaga bikim to all the farmers in the Coro. So we can bikim niya na mata ka ni bingkarap ni kuha. Ayun na baka dami si Dems.
Yeah. We would like to say good morning to the LT1230.
Ayun na katatingo.
To all the Black Arrow taxi driver who are joining this morning from number 1 to number 16.
Iyo.
Especially to the number 8. To Dubs and the family joining this morning. And also to Tamaysay.
Iyo.
Right.
Roko Tabale Tamaysay from Tonia in the van. Joining this morning from the Super Sorry corridor. And all the drivers.
Iyo.
Out there we say good morning to you and welcome to your future.
The taxi base na soba, na sisi.
Iya, tiko ka the taxi base to all the drivers that are tuning in this beautiful morning. Whiskey 50 also. Nakianan Raiva. Menang mali menang
Whiskey
sama
Lalabay.
nakianan di kita gitu kumana VTFM. And abi mata to kusar also to the President Coffee Land family.
Oh.
And
President
President Plaza Samambula, Dinian Kumar and also Melina Adelevo. All the way from Brisbane this beautiful morning.
You visited the boys from Ratuluke last night.
Yes.
Please, just a short talano.
We would like to say good morning to one of our brother.
Yeah?
Jack from Makoy, and also to Rangu, to Sani Boya, not forgetting the boys Liki, and for Metzen, and not forgetting Tinay Sani from Australia. We would like to say thank you. Well, for the wenting yesterday.
Yeah.
Hey, before we go for the wenting, Serebi from Nabalao, Moses from Delaindamanu,
Right.
and Jack, JJ,
Yeah.
Jerry Richmond. We went there like about 10 p.m. last night.
Yeah.
We just
Why is it let me see?
because we
So
are
the kids and the mom stayed home. You came at.
only myself and the children
Oh.
Oi.
together, because we go like this. We pick the boys from Makoy, so we traffic.
Yeah.
So when we leave from there, it's the time it's
Yeah.
gone too far in deep inside.
Right.
Yeah.
Did sir.
So from there we go.
Yeah.
Emi tangi bangatin, good morning. We went there, the boys was sleeping.
Right.
So the lebungar na buliwoti interview tokoni from the team of Ratuluke was there during the Tutuniway Nunu, and the boys was there. Would like to say good morning to all the cookers
Yeah.
out there. When we're telling the story,
yeah.
there's only 5 under 18.
Right.
There's only 5 under 18. The younger one playing for the Ratuluke team is 15 years old.
Saan din
Yang
na?
bagitin kalima.
Iyo.
Erto level 5 arto yang bagitin kawalundina. Kena boya tin kawitu, tin kawono, tin kalima.
Right.
And they
Hey,
playing
all the
for
best.
Iyo.
It's going to be a good experience for the boys from Ratuluke for the elimination which is on this weekend. Against they play against the number 1 team from the Southern Zone, which is the Super Grammar School. All the best students. And bukod naman na bagay ko yan na mga ko. Gay ato ikaw debes gay salitang ito.
Really?
Doon mo tayo di feel ta to ko ya nangon nino nang gitor kabi manakor.
Nikaw kuha ninong gumaraw,
Iyo.
so tapati kerto na boys, asang gamit kong itong gawin no.
Iyo.
O buwa sa mata, kapos kayo sa mata kalis. Nusimber at tulibaya kami.
Oy.
Kaya nalimu ninong gumaraw.
Excited, eh?
Excited,
Yeah,
I want
right.
to see them, I want
Right.
to listening to their story.
Iyo.
How they coming to the game, they're preparing to.
Iyo.
I would like to say good morning to the Super Grandma under 15.
Right.
Right.
Artong boleh besi ko talito nga berto na boys.
Oh, binaka.
Super Grandma.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Under
Yes.
15, batalaki the Master Sefo
Yeah.
and the family, they coming to there
Iyo.
for visiting the boys of
Wala
Ratuluke.
na po nang gitor kabi na nabugri pina nung baya.
Right. Bato binaka na team ni Northlands. Alam bibi, president ni team ni Northlands. O Leo Kuluba.
Woi. Wawa nambog ni kuha na kapaberl to na linda po tuyan na batsi ni siwol. Napinta po diya na napinta po rin. Na taka na batsi ni siwol. Okay. Today our story will be about the Lumi.
Okay.
About the
Arkalas,
two lovers.
yeah, the two lovers,
Yeah.
they love each other. From the time they start, it was sweet and sour.
Right.
So, deep into the moving system, everybody, they both know each other. They both their strength. They know their weakness.
Right.
Nagito ragabi.
And they know how to
Team.
Right.
tame each other.
Bulba kawian ro.
Yeah. So when they moving on
Yeah.
with their lives, the boy start to evolve from his relationship.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. He know that this relationship is not going furthermore.
Oh.
Yeah, nasin leti tumbusara.
Right.
Because the word that the boy hearing from the
Yeah.
the relatives,
Yeah.
from the relatives,
Huh?
it's like this. Kung na baka mo tagi ko tingan ko na bisa bondo nito.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sa Madurbo sa sala.
Right.
Yeah.
Badur
Yeah.
boss, eh?
That kind of
That's shipping of words.
yeah.
Yeah.
So they are not aware
Right.
with what they are going through.
Right.
So the girl gave his all.
Beautiful girl.
Boo.
Oh.
The hair still on the side. Si tumbutu.
Iya.
Kono na
Tobe.
Oh, yeah.
Siyempre mga doon ni...
Right. Yes.
So, when they coming,
Yeah.
they are looking forward for their... Sabo sa nga ibitan na singa bitan na bakawat. Iyo. The boy from Ngau.
Right.
And the girl was there. So, the girl,
Marika.
mother,
Uh-uh.
the girl's mother, going
Going
for the one jobbing.
Oh, okay.
Le mother one dua.
All right.
When the girl's mother came back home,
Right.
he saw the daughter's movement
She
is
saw?
not like before,
Yeah?
Not punctual.
not punctual.
Right.
Kasi tahu tahu ng bulan.
Yeah.
So she was knocking at the door. Nobody answer.
Yeah.
Oy.
She looking inside the mirror, the window. Nobody was there.
Look at the
Inside the container.
Inside the container na suka. So he see around the house.
Yeah.
Nobody respond. That she saw
The phone, she
curtain.
called the phone, the daughter's phone.
She called the phone. The phone was ringing inside the home.
Right. No one picking up.
So she saw the window, the curtain down.
Right.
Narumuni lu benang onelong ko.
Yeah.
But was na rusa mi yan regamas. So when she closed, she just
She knew something was
Yeah.
wrong.
iyo.
Yeah.
She listening and she heard one watering sa sabuto na barisaw. Ngona luka. Atang itong nelo ilong.
Oh.
So she entered.
Someone crying.
Please
Sobbing
open the
inside
door.
the house. Yeah.
Open the door.
Right.
Sanggalingan na ngay katumbala kami retention po na kiliti.
Yeah.
Lakon ibang golomen dong natang ito. What happened? Tell me. I want to know what happened to you. You are my only daughter.
Iya.
Did somebody
Hurt
break
you.
you? Did somebody hurt you?
Right.
Ang gatuno kaya o Marika. Baka...
Mari kami ngaw.
Marika Mingaw. Marika Bunimba.
Turang nga matagali mari ko. Warong sa New Town.
Iyo.
Iya.
Ano nakatamay tensedi?
Iya.
Iyo. So... Sanggay biya mo sa bayan ka, she wants to give a word of advice, encouragement,
Right.
strengthen to help her to become a strong lady
Right.
in the future
Right.
of relationship.
Right.
So, when they was there, she's still crying. Angay, tell me the story. Marika broke my heart.
Oy.
Mari
6 years of
broken our
relationship.
relationship. Right.
6 years of relationship, she broke my heart. She broke our relationship.
Right.
6 years.
6 years.
Right.
Oy, ang balaw sa ya.
Iyo.
I don't know.
Bisa kanita gimana ba?
I'm counting of days.
Right.
Au sa wili si katungo because of our wedding day.
Right.
But nobody knows what will happen in the future of my lovers.
Right.
I want to marry him, but
Yeah.
he don't want to marry me.
Iya.
He told me that I will change my life when the ring is on my hand.
Oy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want him very fast. Au sabi na katiko sa ramo ko kawa.
I want Marika. Banggo ngonelo. I want Marika fast and furious.
Fast and Furious sa lorry. So when the time of that, sakay usually na po sa ba longgang katak. Elebu to there's so many fish.
Please, my dear, my love.
Bloody fish in the sea.
There's not only one Marika. Maybe you are dummy this Marika. There's
Right.
another Marika. There's gooder than that Marika.
Right. Don't be naka.
You are strong lady just like your mother.
Right.
Yes. Beautiful lady.
Beautiful lady like your grandma.
Right.
Yes, ah.
Hardworking lady.
Hardworking lady just like your father.
Right.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
You are strong.
You are
Right.
strong.
You are smart.
You are smart.
Make the wise decision.
Yes.
Right.
You are there.
All right.
Yes,
Remember, listen to me. I'm talking to you.
will
There's so
overcome
many
this.
plenty fish in the
Yes.
sea.
True.
Elemu tunay ka nung gulewa na
You leave one kawa, you will see
Find one
another dhumu. Right.
Singay, binakatang Elemu tunay ka na buro-buro.
Right.
Yeah.
Sangkay tabukan nga na posan ni boy ni ngawe.
Yes.
Sa kita bukan nga na posan ni nana. Bang konon nana.
Yeah.
Elemu nung gulewa orang dia binakasar.
English.
There's so plenty fish in the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sinimber nga mayo, I don't datang ito ngon.
Yes.
I don't want the fish.
Yeah.
I just want the seaweed.
No.
I just want the seaweed.
I just want the lumi.
Iya, tuno ka. Au sini binakata na ika.
Yeah.
Au binakata nga na lumi.
Seaweed, man.
Gay nindon to mon dinay.
Iya.
Basta ka mo nelewa.
Hey. And Marika, my darling, Marika sa winning side. Hey, ya, beki din ako nelewa. Dingin-dingin pa mataw.
Yeah.
Beki din na dorbo ni ka kunin do boro realo. Do ba baling there's a problem with us.
Kunto baro mabosa.
Yeah, that's one big obstacle, eh? And nanon robi talanoa na bitaw, the girlfriend and the boyfriend.
Yeah.
Dumato juga kan na ba durbosa.
Iya.
Nakabra na business.
Dina.
Nabuy ka sa nabukina. Kaya kayo na kami nanon rumbulan ni bubale. Meron kay wali nga oraw. Batan nanon ding. Siya naman ang mga dems.
Ratuluke Secondary School from Blue Bay Production UK isa. Upang binawali ube Arcales kawakita ka tambua.
Iyo.
Ni mbau
Erbinar
sponsor
Ratau.
tali tunga nanon ra bakay diltaki.
Oh, wanan namu.
Na
Pinangwale
ngole
mo.
na songkongo.
Right.
Anon ramay tiko na ngoni bulra tuluke under 18.
Kumpulawen
Kaya
may nunu
balang
volleyball
elimination
association.
quarter semi-final.
Paano ni pinatala na kumpulaw kaya na way nunu volleyball association
Youth
youth
tournament.
tournament. Rabi-Rabi Village.
Yeah.
Nabalibu. Binabalibu miyaw.
Kau sampai baka.
Hey, taong bulare may nakumiway, may madua.
Doyan Rayar Binaka, main King County,
Bill
New
Lama.
Zealand.
Iya.
Jagad. I love you. Emi tangi mga tini.
Tali Manasa, Air Binaka. Dola ka ng batang-bata, may Thamesworth, New Zealand,
Yeah.
ay New South Wales.
Hindi no.
Thamesworth, New South
Abis,
Wales.
Atevatu. Baka nini binabi kayo nina kanta. Pambutan ni Singapore rumbungan ni Kuwa.
Right.
Doon
Hindi mo
Binaka.
ito namag ito na elimination, eh?
Right.
Go baka talinding mo, East na bata kay Southern.
Dono.
Lelin na bata kay naman titimin ni Marist.
Iya.
Na sino bata kay Holy Cross. Omba Pro bata kay naman titimin ni QBS.
QS iya.
Subagirama kay Ratuluke. O nabatu bata kay Ra High School.
Dono.
Sirigur na nakal sa college Melamba sa bata kay Ratunabula. RKS bata kay naman titimin ni
Rosa te rodo turang ngo. Ratsukuna,
Ares.
Ratsukuna.
Right.
Arayda.
Yeah, na kami ko?
Zubu. Bata kay Dawadi.
Iya.
Di ko atal nga naman no shield. Wano championship.
Iya.
Talibunod.
Right.
Ano talen bata kay
Iya. Ra.
bata kay
Wata kira kita mawala kita mabiyokan eh.
Doon Binaka.
Right, mataka mendan na ngay tuwanan ni nabitu tuweso membalata na do weekend bang bibili sarang kita bira ning gito. Ro ka kapag manilay sarang kita
George William.
dalawa.
May boy, ano rin?
Eh? Ro ka sarang kita dalawa. Tambak ka gimbitu men itu messenger.
Ano?
Eh?